66 and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wild ones. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole along. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wild ones. I got a little crush on you.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Shell's Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share a spring farmhouse front porch decorating ideas video. You heard right, your girl Shell has gone farmhouse. I hope you enjoy. Guys, we are in the midst of summer here in Australia, and I wanted to share ideas with you as you approach the spring season. This is my front entryway porch, guys, and today I'm going to show you a few little DIY projects that gave this that glam farmhouse look that I was trying to create. Now, I mentioned in a previous video how your girl Shell is loving black and white at the moment. I had this wreath that I also picked up from TK Maxx, and I added this really cute sign from 1825 Interiors. On the back it says closed but still awesome, and on the front it says come in, we are awesome, and I think it is so cute. So I wanted to give it a little farmhouse touch by adding a decorative buffalo check bow. Now, I rolled out the ribbon probably about 5 centimetres, and then I overlapped it 3 times. I want to create a really full bow here, guys. I then did the exact same thing again. You're going to end up with 2 pieces here, and you want to put them on top of one another. I then cut another piece, probably about 10 centimetres wide, and I cut it at angles on both ends. This is going to be the underneath of the ribbon. You're going to overlap that piece, and then taking the 2 extra pieces, you're going to place them on top. Then taking some jute string, I tied everything together. When it's tied all complete, you're then going to fluff out the bow. Once I was happy with that, I then overlapped a small piece and I hot glued that to hide the string. Off camera, I added the bow to the top of my wreath, and I also made a second bow, as I'll show you what I do with that later on. I then started on another DIY. Guys, I picked up this piece of timber from my local thrift store for just $1, and I had a wonderful idea in mind for a beautiful buffalo check home sign. I had these dollar store letters that I took outside and I spray painted white. While they were drying, I then took this chalk paint in the colour lamb's wool. And what I'm going to do here, guys, is just paint the entire piece of timber, but using the dry brush method, as I want some of the timber stain to shine through. I'm going crazy for you. The thing I love most about doing a farmhouse DIY is I love doing the shabby chippy look. So your DIYs don't have to be perfect, guys. It is so nice seeing that beautiful timber stain come through. Now, I was really liking this look as well, but I wanted to do that buffalo check. So, taking some painter's tape, what we're going to do here, guys, is just add a piece of tape, first of all, to the top. You're then going to take a second piece, just a small piece guys, and this is going to be our spacer to keep those lines nice and perfect. You'll see here I took off the spacer and then just continued to add it as we went down.
I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down.
It was then time to start painting. So taking some black and white craft paint, I mixed these two together, and what I'm aiming for here is a fairly dark grey.
I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I
Once you have the colour you desire, you now start to paint the stripes.
It's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling.
Now again guys, this does not have to be perfect. That beautiful painter's tape will do the job for you. Once it was completely dry, I then took off the tape. I was already loving how the white shabby look was coming through. Your next step was doing the exact same thing, but now guys we're going to go in the opposite direction. Again, using a piece of tape as your spacer, you are going to now tape this up.
That we're all in together, that barely stays afloat while we all discuss the way.
You're then going to mix up some more paint. This time we're going to go slightly lighter guys, but again still aiming for that grey.
We change our ways. How long till the break of
Once that was completely dry, we're then going to tape up some more.
days?
Leaving that tape on, you're then going to take some more painter's tape and start from the top again in the same method.
We all know is on fire. Pharaoh spin
Now for the absolute fun part where our buffalo check comes to life. We're going to take some just plain black paint and start painting once again.
we all go on before we change our ways. How long till the break?
Once everything was completely dry, it was now time to gently take off the tape. Now I had this little wreath from Spotlight from a previous project, and I knew it'd be the perfect O for my home sign. So what I'm going to do here is add some little cotton stems. Now I DIY'd these from a previous video, and all they are basically guys is a piece of cardboard that I traced a little star, I cut it out, and I hot glued some cotton into the centre.
Before we change our
I also created another little bow to go up the top of my wreath.
till the break.
Now starting back at my front door, I used this Bunnings Australia black and white striped outdoor rug. Now it was a little bit too wide here guys, but what I did is I cut it and hot glued a seam so that way it wouldn't fray and it would fit in the space. Now I had this little round rustic shelf that I picked up from Big W last year, and I hung it up on the right hand side of my patio. I then added some little decorative pieces to my shelves. This cute little shelf was actually only $20 from Big W guys, and I absolutely love how rustic it is.
I tried to find someone that could be my great love. Right in front of me, I didn't realize.
Now to add some more greenery, I used this little wreath that I picked up from Spotlight, and this is where I used that other buffalo check bow.
I didn't think we were destined to be, and now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah, wanna give you every part of me.
I then added my DIY wreath to the front door.
Now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh
added to my black and white mat this adorable little mat that I picked up recently from a store called Zing Pop Culture here in Australia. I'll leave a link to their website down below. This is the most adorable little mat, guys. Home is where my butt is, and I thought it looked so adorable and went so perfect with my black and white striped mat. Now, I also believe they sell something very similar to this on Amazon, guys, so I'll leave all the information for you down below. I then also added my DIY home sign to the right hand corner. And to the left hand side, I added this topiary ball tree that I picked up from Spotlight, and I added some of that beautiful black and white ribbon as well, and this little lantern that I've had for quite a few years, and I added my little Easter bunny, which was a purchase from TK Maxx.
Even in my wildest dreams, even in my wildest dreams. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be, and now you're laying next to me.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you to get ready for your spring decorating season and bring together all your Easter and spring decor. Did you enjoy me doing a farmhouse DIY? I know there's a lot of farmhouse lovers out there, but I do know that my glam girls love glam. I'm hoping that I can bring some farmhouse to you, possibly once a month, guys, where I can show different ideas to cater for everyone. Let me know in the comments down below what you think.
Just really doing nothing, that's the thing I like about you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we
Don't forget, guys, to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Shell's Glam Home.
brings out all the problems. I got a little crush on you.
So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
Way that I get every time that I am with you. Your laughter takes me to heaven. I just wanna